How to turn on repost on your Instagram post or Reels. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you unable to see the repost button on your own or others' Instagram Reels or post? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, you will need to update Instagram to its latest version. For that, you can watch my video on how to update Instagram. The video link is provided in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once updated, open Instagram on your device. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom right. Then tap on the hamburger menu at the top. Now scroll down until you find how others can interact with this section. Over here, you will see the option for sharing and reuse. Tap on it. Under allow people to share your content section, you will see the feature for repost on post and reels. By default, this feature is enabled. However, if it's off, that's the reason why the repost button was not showing on your Instagram post or reels. So toggle on the button for this feature if it's off. Now, you will start seeing the repost button on your Instagram reels or post. Likewise, since you are now using the updated Instagram app, and if the repost feature is available in your region, you will also be able to see the repost button on other people's post or reels. And there you have it. You have successfully turned on the repost button for Instagram reels or post, whether they are yours or someone else's. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.